Hello everyone. Today we discuss about decision making in MIS. So information systems are constantly changing and evolving as technology continue to grow. Basically we have many types of information system like management information system, decision support system, transactions processing system, expert system, but we discuss management information system and decision support system. In management information system, this system assists lower level management in problem solving and making decision. They use the result of transaction processing and some other information also. It is a set of information processing functions. It should handle queries as quick as they arrive. An important element of management information system is database. So in decision support system, they assist higher management to make long-term decisions. These type of systems handle unstructured or semi-structured decisions. A decision is considered unstructured if there are no clear procedure for making the decision, and if not all the factor to be considered in the decision can be readily identified in advance. The decision support system, these are not of recurring nature. Some recur infrequently or occur only once. A decision support system must very flexible. The user should be able to produce customized reports by giving particular data and formal specific to particular situations. These are different views in determining the types of information systems and their classifications. So, transaction processing system, TPS, this is also referred to as data processing system. It performs the essential role of collecting and processing the daily transaction of the organization. They serve at operational level of the organization. Example of transaction includes purchase, payroll, reservations, invoices, payments, shippings, registrations, orders and sales. Now expert system specialist, that is ES. This is an extension of decision support system. It is a programmed decision making information system that captured and reproduces the knowledge and expertise of experts and then simulates the thinking or actions of that expert to help users with less expertise. These applications are implemented with artificial intelligence, that is AI technology. Artificial intelligence is a computer based technology that has the ability to behave like humans and learn languages and emulate human expertise and decision making. Office automation system, Q or OAS. This system supports a wide range of business activities. Office systems are applications designed to improve workflow and communicate among workers regardless of their physical locations. Typical office systems handle and manages documents through word processing, desktop publishing documents, imaging and digital filing, scheduling through electronic calendars, and communications through electric mail, voice mail, and video conferencing. Personal and work group information system, that is WGSS. Personal information system is the system designed to meet the needs of a single user, while work group system is designed to meet the needs of a work group and to increase the productivity of the group. Management Information System, MIS. The Management Information System, MIS, is a concept of the last decade or two. It has been understood and described in a number of ways. It is also known as the information system. The information and decision system, the computer based information system, and definition of management information system, the MIS, is defined as a system which provides information support for decision making in the organizations. The MIS is designed or defined as an integrated system of man and machine for providing the information to support the operations, the management and the decision making functions in the organization. The MIS is defined as a system based on the database of the organization evolved for the purpose of providing information to the people in the organization. The MIS is defined as a computer-based information system. Now, decision support system, DSS. Decision making is an essential component of organizational life. Decision makers receive and analyze information user. Many different media, including traditional print, group and interpersonal information exchange and computer-based tool decisions. Support system, DSS, is a generic concept that describes information systems that provide analytical modeling and information to support semi-structured and unstructured organizational decision making. Common characteristic of DSS included problem structured, used in semi-structured and unstructured decision context, intended to support and augment decision makers, not replace them, supports most phases of decision making process, uses underlying data and models. And interactive DSS is designed to be an interactive decision aid. A decision support system, DSS, is an integrated set of computer tools allowing a decision makers to interact directly with computer to retrieve information useful in making semi-structured and unstructured decisions. The decision support system are able to help groups to make decisions. It should not be responsible for individual decision making. The decision support system is easy to use. A user should not be required to be computer operator to generate reports. It should be convenient for the user to use DSS. Now, types of decision support system. There are a number of decision support systems. These can be categorized into 5 types: communications driven DSS, data driven, documents driven, knowledge driven, and model driven. Communication driven supports more than one person working on a shared task. Many collaborators work together to come up with series of decisions to set in motions a solution or strategy. Most communications driven DSS are targeted at internal terms, including partners. The most common technology used to deploy the DSS is a web or a client server. In general, groupware, bulletin boards, audio and video, conferencing are the primary technologies for communication-driven decision support. Data-driven DSS and puts its emphasis on collected data that is then manipulated to fit the decisions maker needs. This data can be internal, external, and in a variety of formats. This model emphasizes access to and manipulations of the time series of internal company data and sometimes external and real-time data. Simple files system accessed by query and retrieval tools provide the most elementary level of functionality. Most data-driven DSS are targeted at managers, staff, and also product and service suppliers. It is used to query a database or data warehouse to seek specific answers for specific purpose. It is deployed via a mainframe system and client server linked or via web document driven DSS more common targeted at a broad base of user groups. And the purpose of such a decision support system is to reach web pages and find documents on a specific set of keywords or search items or terms. This model uses computer storage and processing technologies to provide documents retrieval and analysis. A document-driven DSS model uses documents in a variety of data types such as text documents, spreadsheets, database, and records to come up with decisions and manipulate the information to refine strategies. The usual technology used to set up such decision support systems are via web or a client server systems. So knowledge driven DSS are a catch-all category covering a broad range of system covering users within the organization setting it up, but may also include others interacting with the organizations. It is essentially used to provide management advice or to choose products or services. So knowledge driven DSS can suggest or more recommended actions to managers. These DSS are person computer systems with specialized problem solving expertise, and the expert consists of knowledge about a particular domain, understanding of problems with that domain, and skill at solving some of these problems. So the typical development technology used to set up such systems could be client or server systems, the web or software running on a stand-alone PCs, and model-driven DSS are complex systems that help analysis decisions or choose between different options. So a model-driven DSS emphasizes access to and manipulate of financial optimizations and or simulations models. Simple quantitative models provide the most elementary level of functionality. Model driven DSS use limited data and parameters provided by decision makers to aid decision makers in analyzing a situation, but in general large database are not needed for model driven DSS. These are used by managers and staff members of a business or people who interact with the organizations for a number of purposes depending on how the model is set up. These DSS can be developed via software, hardware in stand-alone PCs, client server systems, or the web. So that's the end of the video, my friends. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks a lot for watching.